Follow me south. Follow me south. Saan sila kayo?
Eto,
Follow me
sa west side mo.
west. 3, 2,
Nag-engage yung Glorious over the wall.
Okay, go back. Defend, full defend now.
Napadal nila.
Back.
Northwest si Glorious ha, malaki yung northwest mo.
Come back south.
Ay, nakita na sa north mo ha, pag ano.
Okay. Hold
Nasa
guys.
choke lang sila ng north, yung small room.
Guys, look at us.
Baka sa ilis ito west mo, pag-engage mo ha.
Come back south.
Careful, looking out, inching up.
Come back south.
Facing nyo ngayon. Pareho, poser.
Come back south.
Naka-face sa G! Naka-face sa G!
Looking
Naka-face sa
sa
G.
D.
Okay. Guys, leave. Come
Ito west side ng kalaban mo.
May double OC.
Come south. Are you leaving now?
Nabomb sila
Okay.
guys.
Come south. Okay, come south. Sprint, guys.
Nasa ano nyo, north ha? Derek Bree, you're gonna get caught.
Sprint.
Nasa north mo.
Mount up. Try to run.
Ray mo ha.
May loot ba sa castle?
Ika na lang natin. Come south.
Nasa west side sila ng G na ano. Nasa west side silang G.
Nagpa-fight or what?
Running yung G.
Running G. Nandito yung G sa east side mo.
Pagkis, naglag pa ako. Touching lang sila.
Alis na. Go south.
Sige.
Okay, may Hello Kitty Scout sa southeast.
Sige lang, go south. Go southeast na.
Kaya nga, hindi ko nga kaya. Pati galan, trinash ko na eh.
Joker na one shot sa incline.
Uy, nagpa-fight
Nasa
sila
inyo na.
dito. This one.
Okay na sa inyo, nasa yung G.
Look northwest in 3. Oh, northwest. Nakamountain plan.
Gago, facing yung nga ha. Ayan, mapupuntis ko.
Southeast.
Nag-engage. Southwest side mo ha, nagkakaparaw.
Kamis. Nice one. Kamis.
Engaging up ha, northwest side nyo ha. West side.
Look west guys, okay? Look west.
Masasilence ko to ha.
Wait.
Looking at you, mag-engage.
Yo. Deep west in 3.
Masasilence ko na to in front.
Baka. Napwede ako. Go back. Hold the choke. Don't let them walk in. Hold the choke. Stop the choke. Don't let them walk in.
Mag-engage yung bomb.
Let them walk in. Hold.
Isa lang din, mag-full push ko. Ayan na. Mag-engage na to.
Look southwest. Silence mo na yan. Southwest in 3.
Nice! May isa pang engage, bomb mo na!
Hold the choke.
Ready to join!
Defend.
Let's silence ako dito ha!
Defend.
Nice! Guard mo pa!
Hold the choke. Heal up. Come back and heal. Wait.
Facing you ulit!
Guys, go back inside. Defend.
May isa pa! Ayun lang, facing ulit! Nakita na ito pa na
Hold.
Jeeper! Real!
Okay, southwest in 3, 2, 1, southwest.
Nice! Ang laki!
Okay, go back.
Nice!
Tulog nyo.
Ready na ba? Ayun lang, isa pa engage! Nice!
Hold.
Wait lang, magre-remote muna ako. Please. Magre-remote muna ako.
Defend. Ba't kayo nandyan?
Normal.
Wait, go back east, guys.
Pushing, engage.
Defend. Guys. You want side now in 3, 2, 1.
Silence ko to.
Alis na kayo. Kamis.
Gago, engaging. Mag-full push.
Kamis. Dito ako. Kamis. Ang bobo nyo, pre. Kamis.
Mag-engage yung Wander sa choke.
Do not run.
Magta-turn pa si Gaby.
Look southwest now.
Si Wander na ba? Buhay DPS niya.
3, 2, 1, southwest.
Nag-arrow sa north mo after nito. Yung north sa right defend.
Okay, spread.
North side ha. Nag-wrap around. Uno lang sa back lane nag-engage. Good defense.
Spread. Spread. Okay, find me now.
Five seconds, RB.
Find me, my guard. Find my guard. Side of me. 3, 2, 1, on me now.
Police na sa northeast side mo.
Okay, namatay si Wander. Come north, suspect. Come north, suspect. Okay, look east now. East in 3, east in 2, 1, east.
Police na. Nas-north mo sa Urios.
Ditang CC din sila. Everyone else run. Ditang hold them. Everyone else run. Ditang suicide. Everyone else run. Ditang suicide. Everyone else run.
Guys, ganda na ng info.
Hindi kayo marunong mag-spread. Okay, spread now. Ang ganda na ng fight na yun, pre. Sila Nirbu nag-hold dun sa choke, parang mga bobo. Mga Clotty nasa west side ng choke.
Zone northeast na
Matay ako dun sa second engagement. Second or third engagement.
Guys, hold ko na saglit. Wait natin yun.
Go northeast.
Nag-iisi ako sa glen, ha?
Sige lang.
Sayang.
Nag-lock cell na ako. Loading.